go.
Sleepy.
Go.
I want pancakes.
Go.
I need some pancakes.
Go.
Okay, I like when you say you make breakfast. I'll make breakfast next.
I
Oh, no. What, baby? I don't know what baby. Close baby. No baby. With baby. Down. Down? Down where? Stop. Give me a second. Let me say it. Let me smell it. Let me smell. They smell corn chips. Smell.
You calling me babe?
What the hell you doing upstairs?
Get ready to get outside. Go out.
What are we doing?
I know. Maybe walk in the park.
No.
You never want to do anything. All you want to do is stay upstairs in the room and be like a zombie.
I'm gonna paint your face green. How? Brown. No. Why not? You look cool. You know you like to wear your clothes ripped up, so I'll just make some like rips in your clothes and then paint you green. And then you'll be a zombie. Yeah, zombies.
No. I think so. Nope. I'm gonna cut some holes in the floors. Nope. Because I don't want to be a zombie. So what do you want to be? Nothing.
You don't want to be nothing at all. So you want to just be like dust, like air.
No.
So that's what you want to be. Me, you don't know. If you could be anything in the world. Come on.
I don't know.
Think of something. If you could pick one thing in the world, anything, an animal, a wall, a piece of furniture, clothes, another person, what would it be? What do you mean you don't know? Alright, two things. One thing is good. No? Okay, so if you could be one thing in the world when you get older, what would you be?
I don't know.
You didn't know because you like laugh, like it came to your head but you don't want to say it, so what is it?
I don't know.
I think you're full of baloney. Oh, kisses. Thank you. This is juicy. Tell me.
I don't
What
know.
would you be when you get older? So?
I don't know.
Alright, I know what you're gonna be.
Me. Hell nah.
So your friend's coming over to have that barbecue.
Who? I don't know. Maybe.
No.
Word, she just be inviting herself over.
You want to have this barbecue?
I didn't make it up. She made it up. She's talking about, oh, I'm coming over. We're going to barbecue. Who? When?
Who said that?
Cynthia. She wants to come over. Should I let her come over and barbecue?
Yeah.
You just want company.
No, he said he was bringing some beers.
Word, so they can bring some hamburgers and hot dogs. Come here, eat up all my stuff. Status gonna cook.
Hell no, I don't know how to cook.
I'm
I'm
gonna
about to
teach
be burned down.
I'm gonna teach you how to throw it out.
I am not cooking.
Yeah, I'd rather her cook her when you cook, you burn everything anyways.
Shut up.
I bet I cook a 10.
Oh, you're so lovely.
Sam probably cook it better.
Shut up. You love my cooking. Oh, that's love. This boy loves his mama. You love mommy? You love daddy? You love Sav? Yeah. Aww. No.
That's
Oh,
your fault.
oh. The house. What house?
Whose phone is that?
Both.
Oh, that's because
She said at the same time. Ow.
I'm gonna go check the phone.
Go get me mine too. Look at that face. Pig nose, I guess it's oink, 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 oink. A besito, Sam. A besito. Where's mine?
I know what it is.
What is it?
I'll find it.
Coming to damn, Bogart it like she just pushed herself.
Yeah. I gotta work out tonight.
Ooh, lovely. So
I don't know where it is.
You're ugly.
Jakey, mommy's ugly? Oh, he said no. Get off my face. Do it to Sam.
Don't touch me.
He likes when I do that. No, no more. You. We don't have anything here to be cooking hot dogs and hamburgers. We have to Yo, you want to invite yourself then? This ain't my barbecue, it's your barbecue. You're just using my stuff. My grill.
So what we gonna do?
I don't know.
I'm saying, are we gonna have that barbecue or are we gonna go to the park?
Go.
We're gonna go to the park, right?
I wanted to go.
Sam doesn't want
Sad, you want barbecue or park?
Barbecue.
Jakey, you want barbecue or park? Nothing? Huh? What's that?
ice cream. So you don't understand her, I understand.
I don't understand that language. You want ice cream? Where's the ice cream? Where's the ice cream? Where's the ice cream? In the car? Where's the ice cream? Fire truck? Ice cream in the fire truck?
Your dad's coming over tomorrow? Your dad?
My dad? Maybe, I don't know.
Where's that going?
Nowhere. Hey,
Hey.
stop it. Nowhere. I told him not to take her anywhere. Well, if he's gonna take her anywhere, just someplace local, like the park, and be back early. But he said if she don't want to go anywhere, then he'll just hang out with her in the house and make breakfast. He's not allowed here unless she's making food, some type of breakfast or something. Get out of here! You feel itchy. Don't be. You be. Bam! I'm getting beat up here by your brother. Don't beat my boobs.
So I told you I was gonna get you a new computer. I don't know. Maybe next month I get you a new computer. You beat that one up already. Well, so I'll see you.
Good girl.
She ain't gonna be able to do what I'm talking about. Kidding me? You lying. Yeah, so I'm just gonna end up keeping that one that you had, just fixing it up for me, but yeah, and just get by another one. You're probably gonna beat the other one up too.
Don't try to kill no bugs on your screen, please. Look, get lipstick on you. You like a boy. Such a man.
You ain't like a boy, he is a boy.
Such a man.
Little man.
My baby. Go, daddy. This is my boy. These are my kids. Mine.
I thought it came out of Dad's stomach.
They're
You
mine.
kidding me?
My baby.
What?
I thought it came out of Dad's stomach.
No, it came out of the
What? What? What are you saying? Right? What's that? What's that? I don't know.
So when you're gonna start practicing on that guitar?
Yeah, I mean, like, you made my house spend a lot of money on a guitar and you never play it. When's the last time you played it? Yeah, exactly. Don't worry, this summer you'll be playing it a lot. I'm gonna, when you finish school, I'm gonna take you to that place right next to Rashad. And see if they do guitar lessons there. Sounds good? Or you want piano lessons? How about school lessons?
How about spelling lessons?
You need spelling lessons?
Yeah.
I'm the good speller here.
Sure, right. That's right. Mhm.
You know. He wants
What's babe? What's babe? What you want? What kind of lessons do you need? Spanking lessons?
I'm an expert at that. I already know how to spank. I already know how to spank. What kind of lessons you need?
I don't need lessons, I'm perfect.
Oh, you might touch that.
Where you going?
What am I batting?
You're in the way.
Shut up.
You're in my way.
Damn, you got some hairy underarms. Cross. I'm hungry.
It'll cook.
You go cook.
Don't make me make pancakes, you promise.
Yeah,
Do
make
you
some
want
pancakes.
pancakes or you want a bologna sandwich?
Pancakes.
Hey, we want pancakes.
You don't even like
Nah, I'm ready.
There's no honey because I use it for my tea.
Oh.
So should you get a list of things to get from the store?
You.
You. Look at that. Sam! Fatty. You're fatty.
No, you're fat.
Why am I a fatty?
You're fatter than me. Ray!
Where's my shit? That's it? The sandwich.
Where's your mom?
Real food, man's food, you know. Then with my drink.
With the
No
stove.
drink, nothing. Shh. He was drinking it.
I wasn't drinking that. That was yours. Don't freaking complain. You lucky I even made you a sandwich. I didn't have to
This
make
is
you.
the job, but the woman's job is cooking in the kitchen, cooking for men.
Shut the hell up. My sandwich.
We're gonna go for now. It's okay for now, but we don't know
Yeah,
what to do.
I don't need to do that. I'll take a bath and be out hungry all night. Take human bites.
And
Nah. You like a beast. That f***ing mouth. Oh my god, I eat the whole sandwich in one bite. Oh, jeez.
get out of here. It's disgusting. Pig, man. This sandwich, man.
I couldn't help it. Potato.
Who showed him that? Who showed him that? It wasn't me, it was you. You're the prankster here. You're the one who does all the pranks.
There's a dragonfly on the staircase. Where? Outside in school because we had outside before lunch. So we went outside and saw a dragonfly. And then when we went to like line up and we went in like the building and in the lunchroom, there's this girl behind me like there's a firefly and I was like ah! I'm like just
what?
kidding.
What happened?
It was just
Dragonfly?
yeah.
Those
But
things
they-
don't bite.
Yeah, she's afraid of it. She's like, ah, it's like on my head. I'm like, no. Dare you believe that?
I used to catch them in my hand.
I kept blowing it right
When I was
as
a
it was.
kid. I used to think that they felt, but I ended up catching them with some friends. With my hands. I never did anything.
With my bare hands.
With bare hands.
Mom doesn't wear bras.
Oh yeah.
I have a broad.
No, he don't.
Yes, I do.
She told me a story when she was a little kid.
Yeah.
When she was in school.
Shut up.
She told me a story when she was in
Liar.
high school.
You're a
She was
liar.
in high school, right? And so she didn't have big boobs, so what she did was stuff herself with tissue, balls of tissue. And then one day what happened was she went to the gym. She was playing in the gym and she was playing ball or something like that, she told me. And she like jumped up and then the tissue flew off in front of like a guy that she really liked, her boyfriend. You know, and then the whole school saw that the tissue came off and they started making fun of her. She told me.
Shut the hell up.
So they found out she was flat chested.
She was a man.
That's what she told me.
Dad used to put a sock in his pants to make it look like he had a big bulge. To try to impress the girls.
She's lying.
And then one time when he was running in gym.
I guess that's how I met you, right? I put a big ball in you.
No, he did not. When he was playing gym and he had gym shorts on, and he was like trying to play volleyball because he was the captain of the volleyball team.
Yeah, I was captain.
I know. And then he
Until I
played
got
a
to
game,
college.
and when he was running, the
When I
socks
was in
fell
college,
on
I
his
was the
shorts.
captain too. That's when I grew up.
And then all the girls saw that he did, and there was nothing there, it was like a little tiny pecker. And he said, "Oh, my ball!"
You don't believe that? She's a liar. That's what we like to hear, you laughing. It's so damn funny. That's what we like to hear. Right? Disgusting.
Well, you like to kiss your mom. He must think your mom is
He's
really
gonna smack
beautiful.
you.
You think mommy's beautiful?
No.
No, mommy.
No, right?
No.
What? What's Beal? What's Beal?
Pew.
What's Beal? What's my feet?
Keep waiting for that. Why'd you go mine?
Where's my tootsies? Where my tootsies? I bet you best I rub my butt cheeks, you
Depends.
No, depends.
You so ugly.
Yeah, right.
Love this woman.
I married an ugly one.
The best looking girl you ever been with in your
That's a
entire
damn
life.
lie. You're such
That
a dreamer.
You're a dreamer.
Take my hand, be my friend. Garbage can.
Give me 5. What's that? What a knock.
Dad. I mean.
Mom.
You weren't there though.
I'm always there.
No, you were not.
I'm like a ghost.
You
I'm
were
over there.
working. No, you were working.
I never work.
How do you make all this money?
Money. I'm broke. I'm poor.
No one told you to waste money.
I wasted it in your favorite store.
And you did not.
God bless you. God bless you.
He just spit all over me.
He was sneezing.
No, but he did it on purpose. I'm hungry. JP.
slide?
Chocolate cake. Man.
Look at our refrigerator.
Do you have any chocolate?
Whatever's in there is what we have.
Oh, let's see here.
The slide. More.
Are you gonna be on the phone? Let me see what garbage you look at. You look at 88 points.
Where everybody gets up.
So nasty. Kiss your mother with that mouth.
Yes, I do. It's a filthy
Are
mouth.
you all like on top of the phone? Such a fake. Oh, it's such a fake.
Ow! I'm gonna touch it.
I'm gonna try to step up your foot.
Alright, move over, Fatso.
No, you move over. I was here first.
No, it's your friend.
I want to kiss your dad.
No.
Ugh. It's disgusting.
Right, I was here first.
Yes.
See, I was here first. See, I was here first. I was here first. Nope. Nope. Keep your hands to yourself. Get up, Fatso. Ow! Ooh, I'm not a lady. Did you not know that?
Come on. Such a pig.
You trained me well.
Alright, don't be cuddling up next to me.
Shut the hell up. If you don't want no cuddles, then get the hell out.
You get the hell out.
I was here first.
I was here first, right, Dad? I was here first.
I was here first.
No,
Yeah.
you're born last. You're born yesterday. Get me. Get me Jenny wine. You get me Jenny wine. Oh!
I will knock you out.
You got school. school.
My grandmother was like, was it my mom?
Right.
I think it was my mom. Right, they were like, oh, this is a nice bracelet.
And then when she's out of school,
And then,
great
who
old-
said it? Who said it?
No.
And then they were like, oh, someone said it, and then my mom said it was like, oh, but it has,
schools.
yeah. And then they were like, oh, no, forget it. Like, get that? I don't like that. You
Yeah.
still quick grandma.
Yeah.
So then it was her.
Dice, oh, qué cosa linda. Oh my goodness.
It was my grandmother and my mom.
Is that a problem in schools?
She was like, hey, I thought that it was pretty. And then my mom was like,
It's part of Mexican culture. Like the style, like the girls, like if it's like a holiday in Mexico, they dress up.
the day of the dead.
No. It's like
Yeah, they
That's
celebrate
on
it.
the second. That's on my birthday. The Day of the Dead.
In the day of the dead.
Sandy didn't have 3. Nobody cares.
That's in 2 minutes.
1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3. So this is how you spell
Why don't you
Julie.
mind your business?
Like your phone bag, my face phone is
Like, look at your ass.
cat. A cinnamon.
What you got in your mouth? That's caca, Jake.
Jake, get that out of your mouth. Jake, get out of your mouth.
Stop the couch. Let's do leg. No. Prove it.
So easy.
Yeah,
It's
so
relaxing vacation and I can just sit around and do shit, okay? That's what I want.
You got a filthy mouth.
I don't care. You have a filthy face.
One,
You got a hairy mouth.
You got hair.
every single minute.
Stop, stop.
Every time she check my phone quickly.
You should shave.
She shaved. There's hairy wolf. Let me see hairy wolf.
Why did it even at 7:30? Ma, it's okay. Not
I'll do
K.
whatever I want to write.
Learn how to spell.
Jakey, get that out of your mouth.
Jake, get out of your mouth.
You don't listen. Let him make you listen.
How many kids do you have exactly?
2.
Why did you say none of my kids? You only
Okay,
have
none
2.
of them listen.
But if it was like none of them, I mean like
I mean,
more than 1 or
It is
2.
more than 1. I have 2.
No, more 1 than 2.
No.
Like if you had like 3 or 5 kids, it's like saying that it doesn't make
No,
you-
it's just saying.
Yes, it is.
No, it's
Right, Dad? It's so, like, if you say none of my
It
kids,
just sounds
you don't
like
have
way, but it's
to.
not. It's means
Still,
means too.
but say it proper. I will mess up your makeup.
Stop.
Hey, give me Jenny laugh.
It's not a lollipop.
So
You got hand problems.
Yeah.
You got
I
hand.
got the mail.
What's that?
I heard the mailbox.
no, because they already came.
But I just heard the mailbox.
I guess it's a crash and glitch.
That was a skate.
I'm gonna smash again.
Who's messing in my neighborhood? That was just
Who's messing in my neighborhood? He's messing in my neighborhood. Oh, yes, I got the couch to myself. Oh. That's caca.
Oh, you're not? That's right. Move out of my couch. Get the hell out. I'm the king here. Yeah, I know I'm the king here.
Y'all better move.
What's the point of having?
I'm a teacher.
What's the point of having those suspenders on?
I'll be there.
Huh?
What do you mean, what's the point?
What's the point of having them? Isn't that to hold up your pants?
Not for real. That's for old people.
Jacob,
Well, what's the point of?
leave that.
Huh?
So
Yeah,
weird.
that's